Hello and welcome. How are you all doing? This is One Life to showcase to you some beautiful pieces. Hello and welcome everyone. And yes, a very beautiful day yesterday in Mumbai. So thank you for that. It was so good to meet so many of you yesterday. Now, ये season जो है ये ऐसा है कि हम रुक नहीं सकते. हमें आपको continuously we're going to be showing you, prepping you for the most beautiful events of your life. So you know that's the whole idea. कि celebrations हैं, this is the time to enjoy, and of course उसमें when you feel like dressing up, it's also that time, and you should dress up. You know, we have the most beautiful collection for you, and don't forget कि आपके पास already अपने wardrobe में भी बहुत सारे सुंदर चीजें होंगी, उसको भी निकालिए, उसको भी मजा लीजिए. You know, this is wear it, enjoy it. And of course, you know, we are always there for anything that you may need. Now, आज मैं आपको एक बहुत सुंदर चीजें दिखाने वाली हूँ. And there are going to be, of course, some new additions, some pieces that are there from yesterday, which I still want to show you. Because, of course, we are at a signature place, back in our studio, the most beautiful natural light. So, you know, all of those things plus. Let's get started. Chota sa live, it's not going to be too long. We are going to be here for another 15-20 minutes, just showcasing to you, giving you a brief of what's there, what's not there, things like that. Now, one thing that I have particularly loved making is these. You know, look at that. These are Georgette fabrics, and of course they are dyeable. But what's also so amazing about it is I think they're so pretty in itself in these Meena colors. Now you can see this one particularly with the green and pink Meena. It's of course dyeable, but you know, I think there is a lot of beauty in you know how it looks as it is. Now you can wear a mint green dupatta with it, but what I'm going to be showing you is one nice new piece, of course. And look at that, it's a gorgeous dupatta. Here you go, you can see it, it's in Georgette. You know, as I said, it's that chokri design which looks amazing. You can see sirf sona hai, rupa hai, and there is the border is also there, but it's very simple, you know, so the whole look is very, you know, very soft and very pleasant to be. Now, where the combination that I want to show you is this one. So there you go. That's the combination that you're looking at, one full look. इसके मीना से हमने इसको डाई किया. Now, when you're looking at a really nice, flary anarkali, then this is the fabric that you're going to go for. That's the dupatta that you can wear. Of course, आप इस fabric को इस color में भी dye करा सकते हैं. You can also do it in the mint green. You can do it in yellow. Basically, any color. ये आप अलग भी खरीद सकते हैं, साथ में भी खरीद सकते हैं. It's one very beautiful dupatta to be wearing. ये जो आज सूट है, you know, I was talking to you कि पुरानी चीजें निकालना चाहिए. This is also from our older collections of Neem, from I think सबसे पहले first few collections में से है. It's not available anymore, but not a reason for me not to enjoy it. I have it, so I said that, you know, why not wear it. And of course, if you love and like this blue, then you're going to love the Rangkat suit जो हमने कल दिखाया है आपको, जो थोड़ी देर में I'm going to be showcasing to you. So there you go. Now you can also wear it, and of course a blue in contrast, that would also be a very nice way of wearing it. But I have more colors in this Georgette fabric, so you're going to be seeing that's the next one. Here you go. You can see the touch of a mango yellow and a deep green, and again all dyeable, all very flowy. So that's the beauty. And iske saath the combination that I want to showcase to you is this. This is a jacquard dupatta. I think it looks amazing because of the Meena that matches so perfectly. Wear it as it is. Do a lighter color in it. You know, both of that will really kind of enhance the look. Another way of wearing it is, first let me just show you. So yes, if you have a dupatta that you've been looking for a great fabric, this is just perfect for that. Many of you have taken these in lot of volume, so that's also possible that you can do a lot of volume in this kalis and long kurta. Now, if you really want to maintain the focus on, you know, on the fabric, then you can also do a lightweight dupatta like this one. This is the 18,800, also looks really nice. So you can do this look as well. So yes, that was all about these beautiful fabrics. Now I'm coming to a new piece that we launched yesterday, and I want to show it to you because of course I'm also wearing this blue. This is the Rangkat suit. If you have not seen it, yes, we do have now one more color available in it, which is this beautiful shades, and of course the entire base being blue. So that's the dupatta. Yes, and ye jo set hai, so this is the dupatta, and look at that. Look at the wonderful colors, the play of it. We've tried two combinations. This is one, and you can of course get the dupatta only. You can also get the fabric only, and you can get the suit. The prices are all on request. Of course, it works out best, like for you price wise, if you take the set, because you know what happens when you have a perfect dupatta such as this one. I think, and it's a very unique and special color, I really feel that you should go for the complete look, but I leave it up to you. You want to wear it with the pink, then that's also possible, and you can go for that. So that's just a recap from yesterday. Now next up are two Munga silk suits in Karwa. Now this one again, the first one that I'm going to showcase to you is the natural color. These are with Meena. Look at that. That's the full look of the dupatta. That's the kurta. It comes with a plain Munga bottom. It's a Meenakari Karwa work. So that's your first piece for you. The second one that I have is this one. Isme, of course, we have dyed the bottom. The bottom is also ready for you to have. And it's a wonderful shade. So if you prefer natural, then that's the piece for you. If you are going for a color, then look at that. You can see how striking the colors look. It's beautiful. The finishing is done. This is ready to be shipped out today. So pehniye, planning kariye, and enjoy kariye the season of course, wedding, Diwali, Karwa Chauth, and of course, ongoing Navratri, everything, So we also have many and plenty of options for you to pick up, just as dupattas, entire suits, only fabric, and I would love to see, how you're going to be wearing it. Now, this is a very interesting, very, very hot, look, I would say. It's a complete contrast. The next one is going to be a same on same. ये एकदम contrast look है, but मुझे बहुत I've been actually wanting to make this combination for a long time. अब suit sets में बनाना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, because if I make that, then it becomes like it's like a risk, right? Because if you made it and I don't know what you feel about it, so that's always a worry. But when I make it an ensemble, I know that you can also kind of change the look. But I really look forward to somebody trying this beautiful, striking combination. And combinations and mixing ka ye hai ki it's all about what you want to wear and how you want to wear it. I've seen so many of you carry the most wonderful combinations and so many textures and look. So, all of that is possible. This one hot combination for this season. This is a Chicago dupatta. This is a Karwa fabric. So इसी के बाद जो मैं next दिखाऊंगी वो मैं ऐसा दिखाऊंगी which is the same on same. दो combination in fact I'm going to be showing you, and I love these colors. In these fabrics you will see many thans today that I'm going to be showing you. What I'm wearing is not available. As I said, I'm also taking out my old pieces. Usually we put them inside somewhere, and after a point we also give them out because honestly they're very old and I don't want to wear them in lives. But I said, yeah, we should wear them. That's something I keep saying, that sentiment that we should wear and enjoy. I said I'm going to take out my old pieces and I'm wearing one of them. This is absolutely not available. It's a very old collection, but I'm just wearing it, enjoying my piece. That's all. Anyways, now look at this one. This is a very, very nice color. There are so many different colors, and one I just showed you, the hot color. This is the fabulous dupatta from yesterday in Munga Tussar, and look at that. Look at the dupatta, the detailing, the flow, all of that is here for you to see. This is one gorgeous yes, get it back, absolutely. We must work on it, I think. Yes, so that it's on my mind, absolutely. So look at that. Here it is. This is one really stunning piece. Look at the work, look at the colors, how it kind of comes out, and that's your perfect combination with it. So you are going for a same on same look, you're going for contrast. अब जो इसका next है, मैंने अभी एक same on same दिखाया, मैं इसका next contrast दिखाऊंगी, and then I will go. Now what I'm doing is I'm playing with these fabrics. These fabrics that we have made for this season, they're most versatile. Every thorn that you see is unique. ये सिर्फ 11 मीटर बनता है, and then we change the color. That is how we have planned it, so that every color, one, that you see such a large variety of colors. Two, it's absolutely exclusive, you know. So that's the whole idea. You did a same on same, and now I'm showing you this contrast. I've done particularly a yellow because it does have this, you know, same color on it. And I think it looks absolutely amazing. I'm also going to give you a quick glimpse of this. Look at that. Enjoy this very wonderful color. It's a shade of blue. That was a shade of pink. So yeah, that's one. And yes, lots of figures. Yahi uska signature look hai. Next up is a new color, a new than in this. And look at that. It's a rust red. It's a brick red, as you may call it. It's a family of red. That's all that I can say. But it's amazing. Look at how lovely our motif is looking. You know, this 3-flower within and 3-flower out. You know, that's what we were calling it when we were designing it. You'll see 1, 2, 3 and then 1, 2, 3. You know, so that's the layers of the motif which is there, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Now, when you're wearing something like this, with all of these, you can just get a matching dupatta, which may be the 18,800 Kadwa one, or you could do this amazing color with it. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? You know, so you want to wear a family of red, but you don't want it to stand out in the long way. This is your look that you're going for. This is Sona Rupa 32,800 dupatta. This is your fabric, 6,800 per meter. All of these 6,800 per meter. And yeah, the plain bottom will be 2250. What a wonderful and what a perfect combination with it. So, you know, lot of such looks coming for you. Complete looks. Of course, aap isme se fabric bhi khareed sakte hain. I think we have done only 2 suit sets today. So that's also one thing. And here it is. Look at that. Now, look at this beautiful fabric in black. It's absolutely stunning. You know, there are, you know, ideas come par jayenge, you know, how to use it, because there's so many ways, you know, to kind of be making and using it. Go for a same on same. Go for a long dress with kalis. You know, go for a jacket with a plain jet black suit. Floor length jacket, front open, like a Nehru jacket. All of that is possible in this beautiful fabric. And of course, you can do a dupatta. But honestly, mujhe itna sundar laga ye this fabric. I'm going to also show you. Of course, the base is silk. It is so crisp. You can hear it now. And look at that. So this one stunning, you know, Diwali parties. This is your look for, you know, this is the look that you're going for. Because you go for a same on same, you go for a plain black bottom and you wear it, it's going to look stunning no matter what. You can go for a skirt even. And oh, thank you so much. Thank you for all the live reviews that you guys give us. Thanks a lot. Now look at that. So it's absolutely beautiful. The base is black. The maroon just, you know, really kind of coming through. So as I said, go for a closed jacket and a pant. Go for a long kurta and churidar or very sleek pants with it. Go for a skirt and a crop top with it, or go for a floor length open jacket with even the insides having some flare. So all of that is possible in this one fabric to give you some really chic, very modern, but yet, you know, so rooted in the crafts that we've made, you know, so I think that's the best of both the worlds. Now, one variant, you know, today is a day for the hot colors, I think, to come through. So this is a new color. It is so perfect, you know, and it took us almost the entire last year, and then of course 6 months, 8 months of this year to develop these 3 series. बहुत सारे initial thans बनते हैं, you know, which we kind of make, we try, we see, we change the designs, and then anything that sets on the loom then goes on for a long time. And jo colors, you know, they're all decided about 6-8 months back. So color predictions, forecasting, what looks well, and then they change after every 11 meters to give you the stunning look. One stunning fabric, again 6,800 per meter. I will show you the perfect look with the 32,800 dupatta. ये एक दुपट्टा है जो इसका बहुत सुंदर लगेगा, so you can go for it. I will quickly show it to you. But what I also have is one very stunning Georgette dupatta with it. Now, see, now the thing is that if you want the perfect colors to come, Georgette is a great dupatta to be wearing on. Look at that. It's so beautiful together. There is a Sona Rupa in both. And next time I'm going to keep this aside for a minute, and then I'm going to show you the most wonderful dupatta. Now here it is. This is our, we call it the garden, you know, it's actually that, it's something like that, you know. Look at the flowers, look at the motifs, the beautiful roses. This comes in the center, this wonderful at the side dupatta, you know, the flowers and the bouquet of flowers, and this one, you know, there are so many kind of different and, you know, irregular weaving agar hai pattern mein, it's very difficult to make. But there you go, this very wonderful dupatta. Now I'm going to show you the entire combination, and you tell me which one you like best, which is the one that you're going to go for. Here it is, that's your combination, and I think it absolutely looks amazing. This is such a nice color. Nice colors can be hot red, it can be pink, it can be green, it can be blue, it can be yellow, it can be whatever you want it to be. So, you know, of course, classics, always there, always good, but such amazing combinations, you know, can't have enough of it. Now, next up, this dupatta, Munga tussar again with this very unique design and the unique way, usse bhi zyada how it's been made. It's extraordinary. And look at that dupatta, the beauty in it. I'm also going to show it to you from very close. The tassels, the entire look. But what I have additionally for you is this combination. So look at that. That's a combination that you're going for. And I think it's just so perfect with it. You know, this color is so rare, but I think just, you know, this was made some time ago. But I think it goes so beautifully, you know, with this dupatta. It's a great base to be wearing. Of course, you can go for any natural Munga look, but I think this looks extra special. Some, very quickly, some fabrics that I've been meaning to show you. And these jal fabric, so nice. This one is such a wonderful neutral shade in gold. I have more colors and I will be showing that to you. But it's a wonderful jal design, and it's a design which we've been, you know, I think working with for a very long time. But it always looks good. You know, sherwanis, lehengas, kurta, same on same, anarkalis, you name it and it will work for that. Now you can see this is a very beautiful neutral color. अब मैं इसके साथ आपको पहले, you know, I'm going to show you this dupatta, which is red dupatta, and then I will also show you the other wonderful colors in it. Now you can see how gorgeous it's going to be for a base. So you've been thinking, यार मेरे पास इतने red दुपट्टे हैं, but I want to create a look which is different. This one's for you. I think it looks so elegant with it. Now ये bright color पे हुआ. Now I'm going to show you a lighter color, and I think it will look as wonderful, you know, on the darker ones against that as this. Now look at that. That's a great base again for your pastel looks. Of course, there has to be some contrast in colors, but base wise it's perfect, very dressy, so you can create that wonderful silhouette with it. Now look at that. That's one, and then I have one more color, and I love this color. It's a peach. You know, yeah, this one, it reminds me, I think one Sherwani probably, you know, which I have, which is 100 years old, exactly in this color. You know, apparently, yeah, some family story to it, but it's exactly this color. Of course, वहाँ उस ज़माने की, you know, जो बनारसी weave होती थी, it used to be very different. The look, the effect, but that's why we are here to keep that going and to keep making those looks, and I think even better, if I may say so, you know. Now, one light look, this tissue dupatta 8250, we still have it. It's moving by the day, but we made enough so that everyone can have that one piece that they've been looking for. So there you go. That's one. That's the blue. You can see that here. And again, I'm going to be bringing out the gold to show you gold on gold. Now, very different golds, but yes, still golds. So really classy. If you've been looking for that one pastel look, that's the piece for you. Isi theme pe, I want to also show you darker colors. So we've done the lighter colors now, but I also want to show you the darker colors. So look at that. Bold and beautiful, but you know, I have two combinations with it, and so I'm going to show you that. So you can go for this, you can go for this. Really hot. You can be, you know, you can use a bit of both in your kalis. That's also a look that can be done. And iske saath, that's one tissue dupatta that we have had. Now this is the other one that I'm showing you. And of course, both very different price points, but you know, both fabrics with which you can create look. ये है एक इसमें lighter two-tone color, and yeah, it's a very sea green kind of a color. But look how stunning it's going to be looking with this. I think it's absolutely amazing. So very hot with the, you know, purple. So really 3 nice colors. And I think that's it. We're done. Yeah, we're done. All our pieces are done with. That was fun. And the idea is to just quickly show you so that you can find your perfect piece for this season. Okay, of course, kal aaye, there are some pieces which may be gone, but there are many which are still there. That was the Hiranyalai, that and this extraordinary combinations right here for you to see. So yes, thank you so much. And that's it from me. And you know, happy shopping over the weekend. Find your pieces, come on WhatsApp, we are there for you to take your orders, so come soon. And of course, Delhi, we are coming soon to you on the 16th and the 17th at the Claridge's, which is Aurangzeb Road, Central Delhi. We're going to be there with an amazing collection. You know, of course, come order it now if you feel that it will be sold out. And of course, we're going to be coming there very, very soon. But we ship worldwide this month, 20,000 and above. It's still valid. It's kind of very, very expensive for us because we've got this, you know, of course, DHL, and you know how geographically, I mean, you know how the political scenario is all over the world, which means that shipping becomes very, very expensive for us when your flight can't go like this and it goes like this. So it really happens, and it's very expensive for us right now. But I have made my commitment that it's going to be 20,000 and above for this month. So we're going to stick to it. Or festive time hai. So never better time to try knee for the first time with COD all over India. That also you must try. So all of that. Thank you so much, and I will see you really soon again. Bye bye. Have a great Sunday tomorrow. See you. And make sure you've seen the live.